Ngiyangihlolela lo. Nokwazi umhlolo lo ngenzela wona manje
Ungenzisa
umhlolo lo.
umhlolo. Abantu uyangixosha. Emana uyangixosha Ju. Yeah? Awungenzi so Ju. Awungenzi so mntoki. Awungenzi so brama. Awungenzi so. Awungenzi so brama. Emana. Ungenzi so angixosha Ju. Emana. Ju. Ungenzi so Ju. Emana. Ju mara Ju asiyele Ju le Ju. Ju ungenzi so angixosha Ju. Uthama ongizolo buhlungu wena. Ongizolo buhlungu njenga bravo. Ejwanye ukhona ukukhulumisa uthime mami bra mahlule mina M-Dogs Emana M-Dogs hey yo what's good guys, it's your boy Bafana Nontsiko umfana wazala inyanga umama wakho umthakathi umngana wakhe yaloya. We are about to do Tanko. Hey yo, guys. As you can see, you have seen my thumbnail, you have seen my title. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This one is a banger. This one is crazy. You must watch it. So, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's watch the intro. Hey yo, what up guys, it's your boy. I beg guys, so let me explain this to you. I'm going to prank my friend. I just called him and I told him that is he home because I want to come and pull up and prank him. I didn't tell him that it's a prank, so I told him that I'm going to come and pull up, just stay with him, and you know what I'm saying. That's it. He doesn't know that I'm moving in with him. If you have seen the thumbnail, the title, you know what I'm saying. So I'm moving in with him and I'm going to stay with him. I'm going to live with you. So please guys, this one is going to be a fire. Just you stay tuned and sit back and watch the prank. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, let's get it. Now I'm on my way. I'm going there. I beg guys, so now I just arrived. This is the home. This is my new home. This is the home that I'm going to. I've arrived to my new home, so I don't know. I think maybe he's doing a washing, he's doing a laundry. So I'm a prank him. So let's go, let's get it. I beg guys, there he is. He's outside. He's outside. There he is. Evan. Mfana. Amana, ejo uzwa. Ejo bankoshi kumaye.
Awu man. Awu man, phela mina ngitshela ukuthi
awungitshelanga.
Ya ungitshela.
Mara ungitshela ukuthi ngiyeza mara ukuthi ngizohlaba ngixoshile kodwa.
Awu man. Ukucoshile, manje usufuna nini? Ufuna nini man?
Ngizohlala nawe kowena Jo.
Ayikhonakala.
Jo ngiyakwasha Jo. Ngiyakwasha Jo.
Awu mina ebile bheka uphethe nomthwalo.
Yeah, Bram. Bram ejo bo Jo ngiyakwasha Jo.
Awu man.
Ngiyakwasha mntu kusengenzi so Bram. Impahla yami. Mina ngipakile Jobo. Ebile ngiphethe ne perfume leyo ithandayo. Yilo ithandayo mfana. ungenzi so ngiyacela mfana ngicela nawe
hayi wena iniwa kamnandi mara
into kamnandi eh
awamanzi
so ngicela nawe
ayikhonakali lento leyo bram
ye
ayikhonakali
utsho uyakwasha utsho
abo yazi ngenzeni ngipayile ukudla lo
ye
ngipayile ukudla lo kwifatsheke then uzahlala nje udla wefotshake etendo
ukudla loyo
yeah wefotshake
mara bram
ama-chips la
then niyohlala
yeah man
okay shabia
Every day,
ithingise lezi zinto sha iphipha ke
ana ke
ngithingise izinto lezi endlini ke
ayina flow
ayi
ayina flow
uyavuma joy
mina mara ukudla kucala inhleko zikatayiteni uze nawe yile mina ayikhonakali lento leyo
manje ngaphambi ejozi kumtshela isikhipheni jo kumtshela isikhipheni ejozi ekhaya mami jo umthola ngibheke ekhaya mami umthola ngibheke ngantsa
yeah
manje angicosha dimanje kodwa asangifuni
indaba
so that's why bengibuza ukuthi ukhona because bengafuni ukuthi wazi ukuthi ngiyoza nempahla jo
indaba yaseyenza ubuhlungu mara mina tangingendaba
angenzi so thingeni
Hey banna. Hey banna.
izozokuqala brama izozokuqala khona izozokuqala
angenzi so
izozokuqala
is another item is another item some dogs
izozokuqala
ngiyakwasha jo
awababa izozokuqala
ebile mowasha plus nginempahla ezingcolile
manje uyangisukela manje
ye
seyangihlolela ma
ejo ngiyakwasha bona manje izijonke into khona ufunani jo
baba izanokudla lokuqala baba
ngiyakwasha
izanokudla kuqala baba yikho lento leyikhulumayo baba izanokudla kuqala
ejo ngiyakwasha kunobani jo
awa ma
liphi ibhaki yakho jo ngifungisa kudance jo ungenzi so
manje uyangihlolela no
into usungenzi so
uyangihlolela mfana
ye
uyangihlolela no
ngiyakwasha
umhlolo lo ngenzela wona manje
ungenzi so
umhlolo lo
umhlolo
alomhlolo
so
lo mhlolo
so
lo alomhlolo mina ngafisa ukube
ebani jo uyangicosha emana uyangicosha jo esho mara leti ye nginama-family first option uwe mara uyibrayami jo ye ungenzi so jo ungenzi so mntoki ungenzi so bram ungenzi so jo ungenzi so bram emana ejo ungenzi so uyangicosha jo emana ejo ungenzi so jo emana ejo mara jo asibuyele jo le jo
asibindawo
ejo ungenzi so uyangicosha jo uthami ongisola ubuhlungu wena ongisola ubuhlungu njengabrakho ejo anye ukhona ukhulumisa uthime mami bram ahlule mina dogs emana dogs jo ungenzi so bram dogs he's really taking them away guys ejo ungenzi so bram ungenzi so jo emana ejo ejo emana ay ejo emana ejo ay ejo ungenzi so ejo emana ay ejo ungenzi so bram
bayokudla kuqala ize nawe
ye ungenzi so bram ungenzi so jo emana sijike jo ejo asijike jo asijike jo ava ushabu zangithola ko wena emana ubuye nayo itekileyo jo ne iteki emana uyaphi jo uyothengisa iteki yami ngawo zangithola shabu mna guys I think this was the bad idea. This is crazy. He's really taking away my shoes, bro. He's really taking away my shoes. But I could, you know what? I'm the prank guy, you know. So I'm going to wait for him to his home. He's really gone. He's really gone, but let's go and wait for him to his home. Actually, he will find me in his room. Yeah. Stay tuned. Hey guys, bafethu. Ashende vele ungoshile yazi. Azuhambe bo, akekho uhambe namateka. Mina uyongithola eroomini lakhe ngifuna ukuthi wathengisa na. Uyongithola ekamereni yakhe ke. Ngifuna ukuthi wathengisa uyongithola eroomini yakhe. Ngomele eroomini yakhe ngiyekipho ngifuna ukuthi amateki wami wathengisa na. So ngithola eroomini yakhe endlini. Ngiyangena la plus ngimthola yenziwa shame. This is the prank motherfucker. Ngiyendlini manje. Ngithola eroomini yakhe. Yo guys, I saw his father, so I'm scared. I will wait for him outside and tell him that it's a prank because I just saw his father. I'm scared of his dad. I will wait for him outside, yeah. Let's wait for him. Bex, Isaí. Eju. Bo, ngize nebhegi yo.
Sure.
My Eju bo Isaí. My ngizohlala nani kowena. My umdogs uthatha amateki wami angazi uwesiphi uyahala kafundi man.
Uva umdogs.
Uthatha amateki wami angazi uwesiphi ayisho mina ngize nebheke namateki ngizohlala nani kowena.
Khaya mun. Aho kanjani mina ngandastay.
Hayi flop uko ekhaya bangicishile nje.
Abantu bacosheleni.
Time amngithola ngibheke. Manje ubra uthatha amateki wami angazi uyathengisa kuphi wayisiphi. Ma wena uyavuma ukuthi yahlale nami. Ngiklome nani?
Awu mina ngivumi. Angivumi.
Uyahala nawe?
Anyahala.
No, nguyena ubra yakho. Na ejole amateki wami bram. Bram letha amateki wami bram Amina letha amateki bram. Iserious mona. Ejoma ngibuyela le bheke endlini nje.
Serious?
Yeah.
Awu.
Ngizohlala Levan. Or njalo time akho nje.
Nomtshela. Nomtshela.
Hayi ngimcele yena ne. Ngavuma yena phela kunanto engayenza nina. Bamba mungibele room ebhakini show.
Yawu pamyahala. Awu namnyahala.
Evan.
Awu.
Oh, umdogs ongizweli nje.
Awu.
Evan. Mangibhema. Namara ngilahlile no. Mara ju. Mara ayisho ngiyazi ukuthi akunathi ungangidisappoint eBrian mina. Ufuni nawe nje?
Angifuni.
Uya ngeBrian wena.
Angingebra manje ngiwandunywala.
Ngifake nezamnyana ne.
Ngixolela manje.
Ngifake nezamnyana ne.
Yakhona
la.
Amon, ulifake le jezi lelo. Ulifake.
Ngifake nezamnyana ne. La
ufika la ngokuba comfort.
Ngiyadlala iprank bram. Iprank ne. Impex ngiyadlala.
Baya amabheke.
Awo mina ayisho
njani ukuza namabheke. Phela unoserious sofa ke. Mara prank njani leyo. Yasixolela utamama.
Iprank mina ngiyadlala nje. Ngiyadlala iprank mfana. Ushithi ngishayile idope.
Boyenza thina inhlekisa kahle.
Yawo mina iprank nje. Ushithi idope ne. Idope niyo la. Abantu ukwatile? Ukwatile? I just mbambile. Ayo, I beg guys. So yeah. That was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Or comment down below if this was a fire or what, or if this was a banger, so that I can do more. I can prank more people, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tango. I'm gonna prank him in Kalane. Es woman. I'm gonna take one more thing song. I'm oh. Hey. It was spicy, man. Tango. Tula tolancha, rabalolancha, betanyanancha, narakonancha, tumari hancha, robafolan, like betanyanancha, 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 betanyanancha.